How to see what apps are running in background. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see what apps are running in background. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Settings app on your device. Now tap Additional Settings option and then open Developer Options. Make sure to toggle the button on for developer options. Now scroll down and now you have to select the option of running services. So from here you can easily see all the applications that are running on background or foreground. If you wish to stop, you can simply open the particular one and then you can easily tap on the stop button and after that you can stop the service running on background. Further, you can also select the bottom left corner icon and see all the applications that are running on your background. If you wish to close all, select close all and then the applications will be closed and it will not run on your background. This is how we can easily see applications running in background. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.